The FireMagic Outdoor Rated Refrigerator uses dynamic cooling technology to ensure an even and reliable temperature. The refrigerator features a soft close assist, gently and automatically shutting the door for you. You have the option of customizing your door to have left or right side hinges. It is also equipped with a secure lock and key to keep food and beverages safe, as well as an audible alarm to notify you when the refrigerator has been left open for too long. The interior features well-lit LED lights and 2 fully adjustable tempered glass shelves for storage. Complete your outdoor kitchen today with the FireMagic Premium Refrigerator.